Section 7.4, the distributive property with variables. This section combines your previous experience with the distributive property with multiplication involving variables. Example, simplify 4 times 2x plus 8. You may recall that the distributive property comes from looking at rectangles. If this side has length 4, and we cut this part into length 2x and length 8, then the total area of the rectangle is the sum of the two smaller areas. The area of the rectangle on the left is 8x, and the area of the rectangle on the right is 32, so the total area is 8x plus 32. How does this look algebraically? 4 times 2x plus 8 is equal to, we reuse the distributive property the same way we did before. 4 times 2x plus 4 times 8. 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times 8 is 32. Example, simplify negative 2 times 3y minus 5. Negative 2 times 3y. Now for this next sign, we have a negative 2 and a negative 5. A negative times negative is a positive, so plus 2 times 5, which is negative 6y plus 10. Section 7.5, Combining Like Terms, Part 3. Since the distributive property is multiplication, we must do that calculation before combining like terms, which is an addition and subtraction step. Example, simplify 4t plus 3 times 2t minus 5. First we multiply using the distributive property, so the 4t comes unchanged, plus 3 times 2t minus 3 times 5. 4t plus 6t minus 15. Which of these terms combine? Well, the 4t and the 6t are like terms, and the negative 15 is different. So this is 10t minus 15. Example, simplify 3 minus 2x times 3x minus 5. When you use the distributive property, you need to make sure that the sign stays with the appropriate term. So this is going to be 3 minus 2x times 3x. Now the next term is going to be a negative 2x times a negative 5, which is a positive. Negative times negative is positive, plus 2x times 5. 3 minus 6x squared plus 10x. When we write our final answer, we have a convention, which is to write the terms with the most variables first. So in this case, x squared has 2 variables, and then working our way down as we move to the right. So 10x has 1 variable, just 1x, and then 3 has 0 variables. Notice again that the negative sign stays with the 6x squared term. Example, simplify 8y plus 12 minus 4y minus 3. Now the negative sign against the parentheses is like distributing a negative 1. 8y plus 12 minus 4y plus 3. The negative sign times the negative on the 3 gives you a positive. We're going to rearrange the terms first. 8y minus 4y plus 12 plus 3, which is 4y plus 15. Example, simplify a squared plus 8a times a minus 3 minus 2 times a minus 4. This one looks complicated, but if you break it down into its simplest parts and work your way through them carefully, it's not that bad. First we look for the multiplication, which is going to be a distributive property step. The a squared has nothing to do with it, plus 8a times a minus 8a times 3 minus 2 times a plus 2 times 4. That last plus sign comes from the negative 2 times the negative 4. A squared plus 8a squared minus 24a minus 2a plus 8. Now we look for like terms. Everything is already next to each other. A squared plus 8a squared is 9a squared. Negative 24a minus 2a is negative 26a plus 8.